All right, guys, it's real windy out here. But anyway, they just dropped off my Weber Summit, and I want to show you exactly how it comes before I even touched it. It's packaged real nice. Straps, good solid plastic bottom. Looks like it's in good shape. So once I get it out the box, I'll be back with you and show you some more. All right, guys, I got the box off and grills out. So I'm just going to show you exactly how it is before we do too much with it. Let me show you how it comes. All right, so still got all the plastic film. It's got the trays inside. There's the instructions, and I got to get it off this plastic form here. Might be a little bit of job, but I don't think too much. So let me get to work on this, and let's see what time it is. I'm actually gonna put it together. It's 3:15 right now, so I'm gonna get started, and I'll let you know how long it actually takes to put it together and give you an example of it once it's done. I'm back, and I got it all put together. Hardest thing about the whole thing was really just taking the plastic off. Knobs, they're awesome. They light up pretty cool. These are lights here you put up underneath, and they're pretty cool. They're off now, and let's see if I can grab that. And when you flip it up, they turn on. They're little LEDs, so that's actually pretty cool. All right, so let me give you the rundown about it. So we got a little side burner here. It just snaps into place on these little brackets. You put your bolts in. This right here, little quick connect, hooks your gas up. The rotisserie rods here. Underneath, all you had to do was, I had to put this on. There was 3 Phillips head screws. You hang your pieces for your rotisserie here. This is a little battery, 3Ds. It actually comes with the batteries. That goes for your lights for your knobs. This tray right here slides in, your drip tray, and you have your drip pan up underneath there. All right, so next thing over here is your rotisserie. It flips up, snaps into place, goes down whenever it's not. Grates, your flavorizing bars, you slide them in, and then your grates go on top. It's got a little smoke box. I think that's a little gimmick. I'm actually going to get me another grate, and I'm probably going to cut it down. I'll put it on my porta band, cut it down. I'm going to put me another grate there. I don't like that. But anyway, overall opinion, metal thickness is a little thin. Should be probably 2.0. It's probably more like 1.2. So the metal's a little thin, and other than that, I don't know what the grade stainless it is. I'm guessing it's not 304 because of the price. It's probably 201, which will rust. It's just a lower grade. I don't know. So anyway, that's what we got, and I'm gonna come back. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's find out how long it took me. 4:02. So it took me 45 minutes to get it off the stand. Actually get the camera, everything. So 45 minutes. Actually, I probably did it in 30, if we count all the goofing off time I did. So anyway, if you're looking for a grill, I'm gonna say this is pretty good bang for your buck. It's probably not the highest grade out there, but then again, that's not $5,000 either. So as soon as I get the gas hooked up, this is actually a natural gas. If it's LP, your tank's going to sit right here. So as soon as I get the gas hooked up, we're going to fire this guy up and put some steaks on it, and I'm going to show you that too. All right, guys, I got this grill out here cooking. What I did was I put vegetable oil all over it, and I let it burn off for probably about 2 hours just to get all the shipping oil and all the oil off the burners and everything off of it. And man, I'm telling you what, this thing cooks absolutely great. I got some kebabs on there. And the lights, I thought maybe they were just a gimmick, but I'm gonna tell you what, they really work good. Let me show you what we got. The lights on the knobs, I mean, they're absolutely great for seeing what you're doing. It's not real bright out of here right now, but it's not middle of the day either. But these lights here, are absolutely amazing how well they work. I thought they were just a gimmick and wasn't even going to put them on there at first. But let me just show you what they do. All right. Well, they work so good. All right, that's how dark it is in there. And as soon as they pop up, I mean, they're great. So, I'm going to tell you what, I really, really like it. And these kebabs I'm cooking is called shashlik. They've been marinating for a couple days. And I'm going to do another video just showing how to make it. Shashlik. You can make it out of pork or beef. And anyway, just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you got the same grill, let me know what you do with your grill. Let me know how it does after 2 or 3 years. So I'm curious to see. Leave me a comment. If you like my video, please subscribe. Let me know what you think. And let's help everybody out. Let me know if you have a video on it. I want to see yours. So anyway, till next time, thank you again. All right, Weber fans, I said I was gone, but I lied to you. This time I'm not. So anyway, this is going to be the last one. I'm going to show you how good this thing cooks. I got it on high, and I like to sear my stuff generally with the top up. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what we got. Normally I like a little fire to throw up on there and to sear it real good. So let me just show you what we got. This is like, I don't know, 30 seconds with the top down. It will fire up, and that's what I was scared of. I was scared with all them flavor bars in there that it wouldn't fire up. This thing will fire up, so I like the fire on mine. So anyway, now I'm gone. Let me know how yours cooks. Leave me a comment. See you later. All right, well, I thought I was gone, but anyway, there's no need to do a review without a full cooking. So I figured we'd do a rotisserie tonight. So I barely got this thing out of the box. Second night. And let me just show you how good the rotisserie works. So far, I like the grates. I mean, except for the smoke box. I don't like that. I'm going to fix that. But the grates, it cooks evenly. But the rotisserie, I love it. Absolutely love it. It's easy to do. It looks like it's going to be easy to clean, easy to put up. And I got the burners on at the same time. The lights on the grill, I use that just to kind of double check myself. So if I got the grill on, my thing is I cut the lights on. If I got the grill off, I make sure I cut the lights off. That kind of double checks while I got all the burners off. I'm kind of a stickler about that. But anyway, I ain't seen no reviews of anybody cooking on it. I think most of them were fake. But so far, I like everything except the little bit of thin metal it's made out of and that burner. And I did send a message to Weber about whether I could buy a plate for this burner, and they didn't send me nothing back, not even a response. So I can imagine getting parts for it might be a little bit of a headache if they don't respond back, but we are going through a virus in a critical time, so I'm not going to hold too much against them for right now. I don't need any parts. So anyway, till next time, let's hope it lasts, and enjoy your grill. I think for the money, it's a good bang for your buck.